guys, I got stage 8. Ooh, that's hard. Sorry guys, I fell. Or
You're playing with Melissa?
I thought he's with Rosa.
She's a poser.
I think he's a scammer or something.
No, only a poser.
Sorry, Dad. Can I play the...
Stop playing live mo. Stop your video because you lose.
Guys, I want to play the hardest game. Name the poop game. I'm a poop man, I'm a poop man, I'm the poop man. What is that? Why is moving? And I'll go make the bouncy room into the poop room, guys. That's the poop game. Guys, look at the poop boom! Stop, Natalie! Stop! Guys, this is too poopy! Why I'm Oh my goodness! I got the rainbow poop! Daddy, look! I got the rainbow poop! I will eat it! Daddy, look! I can eat this! Look! Look!
The poop, that's yum. Disgusting.
I eat it!
Stop playing.
No!
Marga's poop?
No! It's only in Roblox! No! It's in Roblox! I did the largest golden poop. Oh! I got sent out of the map! Guys! Can I play the hardest game in the world? Okay, I'll play the hardest game in the world. Name... Wait. I'll try to... Daddy, guys, I'll play the hardest game in the world. Wall. Daddy, look at my smart feet again. I'm here, and look what I'm going to do. Why? Daddy, look at my smart feet. Why? Why I stop? Daddy, look at me. I know that you need to give me something. $1. Daddy, now give me $1. I lost again. Why there's a bacon girl? So, why is a fake real Rosa in this game? Daddy, there's another fake Rose. There's another fakey. Why there's so many fake real Rosa? I don't want fakies anymore. I want real. This bacon girl can't even beat the first stage. A boy can bake something. A bacon ball. Guys, what's the hardest game in the world? Waka. Wait, I want to play this.
Drop. Tawag doon, drop sheet.
Can simply this. Walk. Go round. Go round. Walk around it. If wall has one stick, you can simply just walk around. If a wall is two third stick, you can simply just walk around. If it's 3 or 4 third stick, you cannot walk around it though. But if it's 3 sticks, you can also just simply just walk around the map, but I cannot walk around it. Oh, I almost walked around it. If a wall is 3 sticks, you can simply just walk around. This is 4 studs, and this is 5. is easy.
Kaya basta ang gaganda ng mga products din nila. Tapos ang mura, promise. Ang bilis nila.
Ay, I just want to hold
It's
you because I
ouchie.
miss you.
Daddy, sorry. No!
Hype to. Diba sabi ko nga, yung kay Coach Art,
Each dog gets even
pero ito, mas
harder.
grabe to. Grabe to. Kasi talagang ang mura ng mga products niya, sobrang effective. Tapos, mga artista
You are
pa
not.
yung kaya
You
ang
are
gusto
a
ibenta.
obby
Kasi pag
paw.
pinost,
You
pag
a
tinanong mo siya,
paw.
may artista
You
siya makikita.
a
So, syempre,
paw.
ano,
You a
mas
paw.
agad ibang tao. Tapos, ang mura pa. So,
Daddy, look what I can do. You think this is impossible? 10 studs.
Can I try?
Try to do this
Okay, I'll try.
with shift lock. Go try to it. You're almost there. No.
No, that's all. I can do it.
Open shift.
They can't push me.
travel incentive.
This is, Daddy, you don't know how to do this. Look. It's so easy for me. Again, because I'm not the pop. Daddy, look. Daddy, look. Mistake. Daddy, again. I hope this time. Why I cannot? I did it. Look, I did it. I did it. Look.
You win. I'll start from
Look,
one.
look. But I want to do the.
Dali, dali. I want to start from level 1. Dali. Oh, I will.
Wait.
Oh? Benjamin lang.
But
To try.
sorry, I just want to do an hobby.
Benjamin.
But I just want to do an
No,
hobby.
na cellphone.
No.
Try also.
Okay. Try to beat this.
I want the jumping. Where's the jumping?
Don't jump. Daddy, if you don't,
This one.
Daddy, you can just walk around it.
Hi.
Look, Daddy, look. Look, if it's one stud, you can simply just.
No.
That's a mistake. You can't just walk around it. If it's Daddy, look, the second stud.
I want to try.
Daddy, if it's
Benjamin.
but Daddy, if it's two studs, you can just walk. You can also just walk around it.
Okay, let's try.
Do you love that meme?
Halika. Excuse me.
Oo, parang diba si Andy ang lakas kumita dati, pero wala tayong income kasi
You can simply just walk around it.
Wall hop.
You can simply just walk around it.
kasi sa online natin ba? Pero,
Okay.
pag kumita si Coach Adji,
Daddy,
Oh, I cannot see.
Daddy, open the shift lock. It's better. The pop.
Okay.
tapos nag-page siya, tapos kumita
Oh, I made a mistake.
100,000, may 20,000
Daddy.
kahit na.
Oh.
Daddy. Look how I do it. Daddy, look. But Daddy, look. In the second stage, it's so easy. Daddy, look, I'm already. Look, it's first stage. You see how?
I'll try. Excuse me, I'll try to do it.
Daddy, try to do that, man.
Kasi, actually, yung products, maganda talaga. Pero
Okay,
yung
I won.
You skipped it. I will. I'll go to 6. Daddy, look. This is. Daddy, look. This is so easy. Why you skipped it? It's again. Daddy, look. It's so easy. For me, it's not you because. Daddy, look. Look, I'm so close. Look, this other one is also pretty high. Daddy, if you cannot beat this, then just wall hop. Daddy, look,
You can simply just walk around it.
you can simply just walk around it. Daddy, look.
Nag-join ako.
Look.
Pero naagad ako.
Look, this is 10 studs. If you cannot do this, then you can simply just walk.
Pag ano nga, pag na...
Daddy, if a wall is 10 studs thick, you can simply just walk around there.
Tinatanong ni Coach Argy, bakit
I'm
hindi niya
walloping ball. I'm a kid that water pool. And another day, I'm a kid that water pool.
basta, ano lang,
Back
basta
to
ang
spawn,
ganda talaga ng
kid, went, go, out. Oh, say that.
about doon kasi yung
I want to do a lot of flicker.
so pipiliin ako agad. Pero yun, hindi siya fake account. Diba kayo, mga leaders na fake account kayo, pinakikisap ko, fake account kayo. Pero ito, pay-in talaga to, hindi siya fake account. Pero ganun. So, pay-in talaga to. Kaya may pero hindi pa ako member Hindi pa ako member. Kumaga,
Guys. Oh.
200. Pero ano yun, ang ganda ng benefit na natin yung unit rounds. Hindi ko makagayan ng fee. Kung mo isipin yung ano, pinakamalaki, basta pinakamalaki, 200. Tapos pwede kang mag-branch out ng coffee shop. Pwede kang mag-branch out ng coffee shop. Pero syempre, pag nag-branch out ka ng coffee shop, syempre kailangan mo ng tumulong pang pagawa ng coffee shop. Pero,
I did it.
You can simply just walk around it. If
out ng coffee shop. Gusto nyo kung meron kang pangkunan para mag-branch out ng coffee shop. Pero, qualified ka doon sa basta, ano siya, traditional networking at e-commerce. Ganun siya. Kaya,
This-
yun. Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Oo, kasi nga hindi ko pa siya,
This game is so stupid.
Oo, pagka, ano lang, di ba? Pagka, concern.
So,
Hoy! Bala ka dyan! Ito makakatulong talaga sa'yo to. Bala ka. Hoy, saka hindi ka naman Hoy, saka, hoy, ate Lilibet, saka hindi ka nag-pay. Wala akong pinag-pay. Wala akong pinag-pay.
I'm turning on the Wi-Fi.
Oo, wala nga ano. Kasi nga kinausap ko. Sabi ko nga kasi sa akin.
Yes, ma'am.
Siyempre, ayoko na rin naman mag-pay.
White still sing out stage.
Pero ano naman, sure naman na mabibigyan. Pero depende kung anong account. PPI. Oo. PPI, saka GoTime ata.
Ano binigay mo? Ano binigay mo? Go tayo.
Oo. Kaya pagka oo, ganun. Kunwari,
you can simply just walk around it. If
Can simply to walk around.
Iba pag may office, kung kailangan mo diba sa atin, sabi yan, pag may bibili ng product sa'yo, mapupunta ka pa ng office.
You can simply just walk around it, just walk around it. If a wall is one stud thick, you can simply just.
Kaya ang ganda talaga rin.
If a wall is one stud thick, you can simply just walk around, go
Basta
around, walk
i-set ko na lang yung appointment.
Bang,
Para pakinggan nyo din, kahit via Zoom.
around, walk
Para may idea kayo kung paano siya
around,
Kasi
walk
ito,
around, walk.
para makakaano. Saka,
I would like to be walk around, man.
gabi naman talaga yun. Siyempre,
You see? I'm a legend. Oh, I can see this. Sneaky longhorn.
Kasama na ba yung ano? Kasama na yung hukay? Ano? Anak, anak, look at the back.
Oh, yeah, I can see it. Oh, no, 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 no.
He's flying. He's coming to you. Paano magkakita?
Attorney. Attorney.
Anong Constantine?
Attorney. Attorney.
Bakit?
Ito ba?
Ba't nagustuhan mo yung meron? I want to try. Excuse me. Ito. You think we can beat this game for 1 hour? I can literally beat this game for 1 hour.
But can I want to go
I want to try, please.
I already did the game.
Huh?
My money.
Really? You already did?
I don't know why this is.
You're sleeping. How many money you have?
I'll buy something expensive.
Let me try. Excuse me, I want to...
But I want to go do this.
Kaya nga let me check. Get mo muna yung mga other money. Get the other money. Mamaya ka na mag-buy. Later ka na. Later. Ayun,
Okay, I'll listen. I'll get the money.
Listen,
But sorry, I'll get the money. Okay, I'll listen. And after that,
No.
it's cool.
Lagyan mo na yung iba. Kanina.
Start account.
Saan?
Pinalapit tayo ng syulahan. Sa So, ganito, paano ako mag-account ng 30k? Meron silang times 3 ang referral. So, 10k times 3.
Huh?
Since free account ako, kailangan ko i-pay in yun sa hindi makakapila. Like, for example, gusto ko i-pay in
Sayang.
Tapos,
Ikaw hindi iwabat. Ano ka ba sa'yo? Hindi ka nag-iisip.
Pasti, ganito yun. Ano ba?
Sinasayang mo ka.
Panggal ka na ka. Hindi, paano ko ba masasabi?
Ang ganito yun. Wala ibibigay mo na malaki.
Ganito yun. Free account ko. Please lang ako. Free. Pero walang pangkas. Ano yun? Please lang ako. Ano siya yung promo na times 3 yun? Paano times this in Japan.
Kasi ang sinasabi ko, bibigyan ko ng 6 star niya ako. Ay 5 star mo. Bibigyan ko ng 5 star. Ang laki ng difference ng 5 star sa 3 star lang. Yung sa leadership, yung sa mga bonuses. In the long run, mas malaki yung kikitain mo pag 5 star ka. Sayang yung long run. Mas malaki yung kita. Mas malaki yung net sales. Mas malaki yung katagalan. O sige, ito sa ngayon lang. Pero yung sa kitaan,
Alam mo yung habang nag-i-establish pa ako, kasi ang benefits ng 3 star up to, dahil kasi yun, ang benefits ng 3 star at 5 star, yung mga bang benefits na ngayon, may 5 star, meron ka ding leadership din na 20%. Kasi yung ito kasi leadership sa 5 star. Kasi 65% discount. Travel incentive na sabihin mo, yung discount 45%, pero may leadership ka din din 20%. So, ang pinaka-difference ng 5 star is dito kasi kay 5 star, pwede ka mag-branch out ng coffee shop. Up to 65% yung discount. So, ganito kasi yun.
I want to help.
Dito, once na naman tayong isang
What?
may 5 star, ano
But
yan, lifetime na
guys,
natin yan na 65%
After
discount
this,
na
I'm
tayo.
going
Kahit
to
hindi na
create
tayo
another
mag-upgrade.
video.
Gets mo?
Ooh,
Hindi.
guys, I can do this.
Oh, hindi. Kasi ganito yun. Ngayon,
Do. But,
ikaw to. Ganyan,
but
wait lang.
guys,
Ano ba
I'll
explain?
play
Wait
the
lang.
last
Explain.
game.
Ang
And beat
habol kasi
only
natin,
one
kaya gusto natin
level.
mag 5 star kasi yung 65% discount. Di ba? Like, pag magre-retail tayo. Ang importante, merong naka 5 star sa atin. Na pwede tayong umorder ng products gamit yung account na yun ng 65%
Oo.
discount tayo.
No.
So, yun lang yung
Fifth level. Until this video ends, guys, I can do this. A long, long, first, long, long, first, long, 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 long,
discount at sa
Tokyo. Wait, that's not broken. That's not how.
Nakausap mo si Boss PJ, kumain naman si Boss PJ dun sa Facebook ko kasi ako lang nakausap mo sa kanila. Kasi love star na lang yung mga hindi na in-upload niya yung upload ni Boss PJ. So, kung hindi niya upload, ako lang pala yung pero yun yung sure niya, 1 star. Pero, papakiusap ko ng Facebook. Yun yung sabi niya. So, syempre, gusto ko yung 2 star siya.
Guys, I'm going at the guys. Guys, let's go end the video. Goodbye.